Now we'll prepare our fish before we steam it. This fish is a greasy grouper, approximately 500 grams. First we trim the tail into something like a V shape. Trim all the fins also. Next, we will butterfly the fish. Cut a slit here towards the tail until it touches the bone. We stop. Place your blade near to the fin here, just on top of it. Cut it down. Right, you will be able to feel the bone over here if you can hear this kind of sound. Right, using the bone as a guide. Just cut through like this, slowly. When it comes to the bone over here, just crack them up a little bit like this. Right, slowly against the bone. Just push this up. Okay, and that's how we butterfly a fish. To make sure that the fish cooks evenly, make a slit here and just at the angle, just cut it in a little bit. Same with the other half. Do the same, cut it down, and at the angle, just slice the fish a little bit. This will ensure that the fish cooks evenly. Now we repeat on the other side, which I've already done. Right, it will be like this. Okay, now that this is done, we'll prep the fish to be steamed.